Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a homemade grilled chicken Caesar salad, a classic side dish everyone loves to grab at the restaurant. For the full recipe and details, please kindly stick around until the end of the video. Firstly, I'll be chopping romaine lettuce into medium-sized pieces. You will need approximately 1 to 2 romaine hearts for this recipe. So I'm just about finished chopping up my romaine, and then I'll be chopping up 2 cloves of garlic. After finishing your 2 cloves of garlic, it is now time to prepare your Caesar dressing. Start by adding in 4 spoons of mayonnaise to your bowl. As you can see here, I'm just adding in my mayo now, and then I'll be adding in 1 spoon of red wine vinegar. As you can see here, I'm adding in salt and pepper to taste. You can use as much or as little as you would like of salt and pepper. Next, I'll be adding in grated Parmesan cheese. Again, it's to taste, so I'm going to be using 2 spoons, but you can use 1 or more if you'd like. Lastly, I'll be adding in the garlic, and then I'll be mixing to combine. So my salad dressing is just about ready, and I'm going to set this aside in the fridge until I'm ready to dress my salad. So next I'll be grilling up my chicken. It's about 8 to 12 minutes per side, but this will depend on the thickness of your chicken, so please adjust the time accordingly. So now my chicken is ready, and I'm just going to be slicing up my chicken very thinly. So as you can see here, I'm just slicing each piece very thinly for my salad. It is now time to prepare your Caesar salad. Grab your dressing from the fridge and let's begin. So as you can see, I have my bowl ready and I'm adding in my Caesar dressing. You can add as little or as much dressing as you would like. Once you have your salad mixed together, you can add in some black pepper. This is optional, by the way. You do not have to add in extra black pepper. Feel free to add extra romaine if you would like. So for my salad, I'm going to be adding in freshly grated Parmesan cheese. If you do not have freshly grated Parmesan cheese, that's okay. You can use the regular grated Parmesan. This step is optional, by the way. As you've already made your dressing, there is Parmesan in it, so you can adjust to taste. So now that I have my salad all mixed together, it is now time to serve my salad. So as you can see here, I'm just adding on my grilled chicken onto my salad, and then I'll be adding a sprinkle of black pepper and a sprinkle of Parmesan to taste. And there we have it, family. This is my homemade version of grilled chicken Caesar salad. The total time it will take to complete this dish is 40 minutes, and it will yield 2 to 4 portions of salad. So here's my homemade version of grilled chicken Caesar salad you can make at home. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe to join the family.